What's up guys, it's Jeremy here and welcome back sa aking channel. So, we are looking a little messy today, but you know what, it's fine. In today's video, I will be doing a freaking office tour. So I've been somewhat updating you guys on my Instagram about this whole renovation of my office / filming room. And so I thought I should show you guys the actual official tour of my little office. I love this space so much, you guys. Like ever since I renovated everything, I just have an increase on like motivation now and my organization. And I don't know, I just feel like I needed that complete renovation. So yeah, if you guys like these types of videos, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help me a lot. And if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe because I do make videos every Monday and Friday. And also I will try to post like some of the things that I've got on my room, just so if you guys are interested in buying them, I'll just be linking them down below so you can buy it as well. But anyways, let's get started on with this tour of my little office. You know, a little sneak peek right there here. What? I don't know why I'm so hyped. I didn't even drink coffee. In fact, I need coffee because look at me, I look dead. Anyways, let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off with the door area. So it's very basic, very plain. All I have is like 2 hooks over there. So to the right side of my door, I just have my accent wall right here, and it basically has like my workspace area as well. And you guys, I am in love, especially with this lighting right now. It's so pretty. But basically, this whole wall wasn't green like it is now. It was actually pure white. I have like a whole process. I painted it and all that stuff. But basically for the wall, I decided to go for this green just because I'm a sucker for forest green. And I thought this green was really pretty. So I went to Home Depot, you know, bought some paint, painted it. And honestly, I really like the way it turned out. I think it suits well, especially with my color theme at the moment, which is basically green, white, black, and gold. Like, I'm honestly so proud of myself, you guys. Like, this is probably like the best workspace I've ever had, and this definitely keeps me motivated and definitely a lot more focused as well. So let's go in with the whole workspace area. Why is it so dark? Hello, come back, Clyde. Thank you. So I'm actually gonna start off with the very bottom. So this right here, I decided to grab like this cute mustard yellow carpet. It's so soft, you guys. Like, look at it. Literally the softest thing ever. But I got it from Ross, and I think it goes really well with the green as well, so definitely a good buy. So this chair right here, you guys have seen this so many times before, probably from other videos or any other online stores, but basically I got this at Hobby Lobby. This chair is like one of my favorites. Whenever I look at them, I just think they're so slick and minimal, and I think it just goes well together with my whole setup. But I was gonna paint this gold, but I didn't have time. I wanted to paint it gold like this desk table, but you know what, I didn't have time, whatever. But anyways, moving on to the desk. This desk I got at Walmart. This was actually something that I renovated. This was originally like a wood, gray wood color, but then I repainted it white, and honestly I like it a lot better. And the reason why I painted it white is because that wood didn't go well with like my whole color scheme that I wanted. So I thought that white would go well with green, and so there it is. As far as the things that are inside my desk, like I just have this little stuff, whatever this is, like an organizer I guess, but it just has my AirPods, my wallet, some business cards over there. Like literally that's it, because I literally don't know what to put. But then you have like my hard drive there, a few planners, and on this side I have my MIDI keyboard right here, you know, when I produce music. I have some headphones over there and some little knickknacks. But yeah, it's very basic. I don't have a lot of things, but yeah. And on the top of my desk, of course, I have my laptop. And to the left, I have this plant that I got at Home Depot. She is thriving, you know, she's getting the sun. And this spot was actually originally like this ugly gold brown color, and so I just spray painted it black because, you know, artsy DIY, what's up? But yeah, hopefully this one grows. I haven't named him yet, so maybe his name is, I don't know. You guys should comment down below what you would like to name this plant, because I still don't know. But anyways, I just have my Blue Yeti microphone, and this one right here is actually something I DIY'd too. I just like spray painted it gold on the other half, and I kind of did it in like a weird angle, but I thought it was cute. This one right here, his name is Chirp. I got him on my little hiking trip to Lake Tahoe, and you know, he is so freaking adorable. When I saw him, I just had to buy it. And if you guys were on my Instagram, you have definitely seen this little cute little bird. And then I also have this little lamp that I've had forever, but it's just a white color. I kind of actually want to change it to a like more orange tone because I honestly think that would best suit the mood, but for now it's just white. I actually thrifted this, so I don't know where that person got it, so yeah. Moving on to the top of my desk, I decided to put 2 shelving because I thought, you know, I want some decor. I actually got these floating shelves from Home Depot. It was such a process to like do all of that. Like my boyfriend had to help me and all that stuff because I couldn't do it alone because I honestly would not have been able to like drill while holding it. And I wanted to make sure that the height of the first shelf was enough for the lamp to be, you know, standing there. So yeah, but anyways, on my left side I just have my other camera right here. This is a Lumix G7 and then I have my little plaque right here. So freaking cute. Thank you guys for subscribing, you guys are the best. But every time I look at this, I low-key just get butterflies because it's so cute and I couldn't have done it without you guys. So thank you so much again, you guys are amazing. And then I just have my film camera right here, my disposable camera, which I still have yet to freaking develop. Like I have not developed her. I have to, like, girl, get on it. On this side, I just have this plant. Now this is the only fake plant that I have. I've had this for like almost 2 years now. I also got this at Ross actually. And on this side, I just have a few books that I read. Lie With Me, oh my god, y'all, like this is heartbreaking. Anyways, and the one thing you guys already know, I love that freaking book. And also Banish Your Inner Critic, and of course A Work in Progress by Connor Franta. And then I just have this little cute little jar, gold elephant because, you know, the gold color theme, and a few of my coins. And on the very top I just have my ukulele. It's the concert size, and then I just have that feather right there. It's also in gold, and then my YSL cologne. And I'm not sure if you guys have noticed yet, but I have a little theme going on as far as like birds. Like there's a bird here and there's a feather there, and later on I'm gonna show another like bird ornament, but that's because like birds are my spirit animals. I actually have a tattoo. Here's my tattoo. But anyways, on this side of my office is another little nook that I thought I should just do. And I also have my guitar right here, which is perfect. It's by like my desk where I play and all that stuff. And then I have my little mirror. You see my 2 fingers. I'm not gonna show myself, I look busted, like ew, but hello. Any freaking ways, this plant, my favorite at the moment. This is, still don't know the name. I still have a name because I want you guys to help me. So comment down below what to name him, what to name him, because I really want to name them. I don't know why. Am I weird to do that? Anyways, yeah, I got this at Home Depot as well. It's real, it's not fake. But anyways, yeah, I also got, what the fuck? Anyways, I got this little plant holder thing from Ross. This is one of the things that I got at Ross, and it's so freaking cute. I love the white and I love the gold, and I thought it was gonna be like ceramic, but y'all, it's like tin. But I still thought it was cute, so I got it. This was like $19.99, I think. Anyways, going on to the right side of that little area is a little bench right here that I just decided to put under the window just because I thought it would be perfect. But yeah, I just have it there because I like to put on my shoes in that little area so I can sit. Thought that was a cute little area, and I just put 2 of those pillows. I've had these pillows for a while now. I don't even remember where I got them, but I thought the color fits perfectly. And oh my god, you guys, the freaking light is about to go away. No, I'm literally gonna have to put on my lights or something. But kudos to me for filming this late. But anyways, on the window, since I have a fairly small window on my office, I just have this sheer window curtains. I didn't want it to be like a blackout one because I want to have as much light as possible. Yeah, I just wanted it to be cute and sheer, so that's why I got these. I got these at Target, so yeah. But anyways, let's move on to this area before it gets too dark. You guys already know this is like from Walmart, from Target, this little cubicle. But on the top of that, I just have my little, you know what, I'm gonna turn on my light because she a little dark now. Does that even help? Not really. Ew. But anyways, on this side of the room, I just have this little vanity almost. It's not really a vanity. I don't know. Like, I don't even know why I call it vanity. It's just a little cubicle area just to display. I just wanted to put something because I don't want it to be flat. But anyways, I just have this little frame that I thrifted. It's so freaking cute because it's like a canvas inside it, and I just thought it was cute. I love the green color plant. It goes well with these 2 plants that I got at Michael's. But anyways, to continue with like the gold accent colors or whatever, I just bought this from a thrift store. It's really cute. It's just like a gold mirror. It's not a gold mirror. It's a mirror with the gold frame. But anyways, like I said, with the freaking bird theme going on, this is one of the things that I got from Ross. And this candle I got from Michael's, actually. It was so freaking cheap. This was only like $2.99 because they have like a little sale going on, and it smells the best, y'all. Like, this smells so freaking good. It smells like tropical margarita. I wish you guys could smell it, because like yes. And you know what, I'm actually gonna turn it on, so I'll be right back. Let's light her up. Boom. Okay. Hello. Oh, I love this candle. So good. There you go. Adds a little mood, you know, to the whole room. Anyways, on this little cubicle, I just have a few things. I have this little gold accent color cubicle, whatever it's called, I don't know, organizer. But anyways, on this top, this is actually where I put my candle when I'm not using it. I put it right here, and here's Timothée Chalamet or whatever. Yeah, he's right there. But this is like my GQ magazine collection. I already stopped their subscription, but I still have these few, so I thought, why not? And on the very bottom, this is just, I don't even know, but they're just junk. They're like my I don't even know how to explain, but yeah, they're just junk. But I have more books right here, and of course the candle, and of course this little Buddha thing that I got at a thrift store because I love me some Buddha, and there's actually a Buddha beer, so yeah. Oh, and on this side of this little cubicle, I just thought I would put this space right here for my camera bag. It looks like a freaking lunch bag. And on this little right side nook, I just have the bag for my ukulele, and then my tripod for when I film. So honestly, you guys, my office is a combination of like my filming area, so I have some clothes in there as well for when I film, but I'm not gonna open my closet just because yeah, you already know the drill. So now circling back to the back side of my office, this is like my little nook where I kind of put like my staple pieces, especially when I film. So I just have this rack right here. Can we just talk about this rack, you guys? Like, I've had this rack for 2 years now, I think, and I just had to spray paint the top part gold. Ow, I just like cracked my freaking finger. Anyways, yeah, I spray painted it gold because, you know, the color theme of this office. I also kind of like color coordinated it, you know, green, yellow, red. It's not even the freaking rainbow color, but I thought it would. Anyways, yes. So on this side, I just have this thriving plant right here. Still don't know the name, so please help me, you guys. What should I name these people? Plants, my green. But you guys, look, she is freaking thriving right now. Like, oh, yes. Anyways, I have this little stool right here that you guys probably see everywhere, but I just got this one at Walmart, and you know, cute. And as far as the bottom part of my rack, I just have my little business bag right here because, you know, she a businessman or whatever. And this is actually a gift from my boyfriend. It's from Zara, so thank you, babe. Anyways, on this area, I just have like 4 of the shoes that I wear often. So actually, not that one. I literally have not worn that outside, only like in here. And on the back, I just have like some few boxes from shoes. So after my little rack, I opened the windows, by the way, you guys, so that's why you can see like a freaking sharp ass freaking shadow, but that's because the freaking sun is low now. But anyways, this is a plain white wall, and there's a reason for that. I film here, I sometimes take pictures in this wall, so I want to have like a perfect white wall just for content purposes, and since this is my office, I want that space. But yeah, nothing too special. It just goes straight to the door to the right and then back to my office. Well, office workspace. I told you guys I look like a mess. But anyways, this is the end of my little office slash filming room tour. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help me out a lot. And if you're new to my channel, click subscribe because I do make videos every Monday and Friday. And don't forget to check me out on my social medias. Links will be down below, so you can check that out. But yeah, comment down below what you like most about my room, or I don't know, like comment something, I guess. But anyways, I hope you guys have a nice day, and I will see you on my next video. What the hell did I just do? Did I just freaking no? I will see you on my next video. I like to